beautiful billboard. It says, drink, don't drive. I love that. Max, what do you think?
I like it. It encourages you to drink.
Yeah. This is Tamnak Lao Restaurant. ตำมะพุงเพิ่นหนาเพิ่นใส่ปลาแดกแม่นบ่
มีปลาแดกแล้วก็บ่มี
ปลาแดกต้มหรือบ่ได้ต้ม
ปลาแดกสุก
โอเคเอาสไตล์ลาวสันตำมะพุงเจ้าแนะนำมันอย่างนะ
แนะนำแบบมีเศษอ้วนเนาะมะนาวนะแล้วเป็นมุกป่าทอดปลา
เอา you want steamed fish in banana leaf มกปลามันสิแม่นตัวนี้แม่นบ่
ตัวนี้เป็นต้มยำปลา
โอ้เอามกปลาสันพอแล้ว So I want to show you guys the restaurant. It's actually really pretty. They got a nice seating area right here for those who, if it's a packed house, nice waiting room. But immediately when you walk in, you get like the gong that you see in Lao temples. And the decor is just really nice. I guess sometimes they do some like entertainment here or traditional Lao music. A bar. Lots of table seating. And it just looks pretty grand and pretty nice. It looks like you're in a very nice Lao person's home. If that makes any sense. Somebody with a status, let's just say that. You got nice wooden decor, nice engraved wooden pieces over there. Beautiful. Let's go outside and take a look at the garden actually. So it seems like they do a lot of events out here too because they have a beautiful green space. It's just really nice restaurant. Not like many restaurants you'll see in the rest of the country. This place is kind of hidden. Not really, it's off of a main road, but you wouldn't know that it's a restaurant unless you read the signs because those are the gates to enter the property. It looks like you're walking into somebody's house, but really you're walking into a restaurant establishment. Let's go outside and actually look at the welcome sign. So right here is a busy main road that leads straight to Patusai, which is down there. And then this is Tamnak Lao Restaurant. There's our foods here. So I guess we're starting off with some Lao sausage. Look at that. And then I think it comes with some kind of sauces or some kind of dill, like dill maklin or something. I thought it was beef, but it might be just something.
It's beef.
It's beef.
Even though it looks
overcooked
like
beef.
It looks like pork, but it's beef.
Yeah.
Serve you.
And then, thank you, sir. And then, of course, our kaokam sticky rice. Now, this is different from what you guys normally see because it's black grain sticky rice or purple grain sticky rice mixed with the regular white grain. So it's more aromatic, very like floral smelling. Look at that.
Here's the sauce.
You want to smell the rice? You can smell it.
Sauce?
It's like a sweeter, warm smelling, like kind of like a vanilla-y, sweet.
I don't know how much you want, but if you want more, just.
So New put some sauce on mine already. And what I'm gonna do is just eat it with some sticky rice.
Ooh, this looks good.
I'm gonna just take the sticky rice and eat it like that.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so here we have some Lao sausage. Take a look at this. And oh man, you can tell it's grilled nicely because it's juicy in the middle, but the skin on the outside, that pork casing, it's a bit crunchy still. So good, chasing with some sticky rice. The sticky rice is so aromatic.
This is really good, like, quality.
And next up we have this dried beef, which I don't think I'm going to be a fan of because it's literally deep fried beef.
Try it, it's actually pretty good.
Not bad, actually.
It's actually pretty surprisingly good.
It's dry, but it's chewy, and it's more of a texture thing that makes it taste really good. The more you chew it, the more juicier it gets and more flavorful it gets. I can taste the lemongrass in both of these. I can taste the herb inside the pork sausage, and then I can taste the garlic that's marinated with the dried beef. It's really good food, guys. Very umami, very spicy from the sauce. Really good. So our papaya salad just came in with our Laos stew. This is called a.Lao. It's originally from the Luang Prabang area. It's rice, or it's beef stew with pork rinds. It has dill, lots of herbs in it, lots of berry, juniper. I'm not sure what kind of berries are in here. Mushroom, wood ear mushroom. Yeah. And then it's cooked inside a nice broth, thickened with sweet sticky rice that has been pounded. Look at that consistency. There's eggplants in here, dried chili. It's absolutely phenomenal. And then this is our papaya salad done Laos style using Laos style fermented fish sauce that has already been boiled, guys. And of course they serve it with some cabbage and some pork rinds as well. Let's take a bite.
You picky what?
No, just put it in, it's fine. Look at that.
Make sure you guys get mushroom. Yeah, you guys can just add more.
Yep. Look at that. Here it is, guys. a.Lao, check that out. I'm gonna take a bite right now with some beef pieces and some wood ear mushroom and some dill. Check this out. And of course you gotta taste those sticky rice. Oh man, that dill and that herb flavor are so strong, but it's balanced out with that robust flavor of that umami fish sauce, fermented fish sauce, and then the beef is cooked so tender, but still has a nice chew from the tendon. And it is so spicy with the chili pepper, and the pork rinds add a nice smooth texture to it too. Absolutely wonderful. So good. I'm gonna grab some on my plate, guys. Look at that, that's a tomato in there. Let's give this a try. Grab it like that. You can taste that fish sauce. It's very kind of aromatic in a weird, satisfying way. So Max, you tried the papaya salad? Did you like it?
Yeah, it's good.
Now be honest. You can be honest. Do you like their papaya salad better than mine, or mine better?
I'd probably have to give.
Oh, thanks, Max. Thank you so much. Mokba. It has lots of herbs in there, and it has chilies. It has this particular flour I don't know the name of, but it tastes really good, and maybe some cellophane noodles. But let's go ahead and eat some of this. It looks so good, yummy, and it's also thickened with sweet rice. Not really. So again, guys, just like any Lao dish, you should really eat it with some sticky rice. I'm gonna grab this sticky rice here And let's just take a look at this mukbang that we got. Look at that. It looks so good. And I'm just gonna use this sticky rice and just pull some out. But look at this. Look at that. It's nice and tender and soft.
That's not spicy, so it's good.
Immediately when you eat it, you can taste the fragrance of the banana leaf. It's steamed inside a banana leaf, and you can tell definitely this is a steamed product. Now, there's umami in there. There's a little bitter from the flour in there. There's lots of fermented fish sauce taste, and then the herbs is just crazy. There's dill, there's galangal, there is kaffir lime leaves, and it adds a really nice twist to your traditional steamed fish dish. Max, how would you describe the taste of the a.Lao?
Okay, very aromatic. You can definitely all the flavors kind of are present in it. But it's very good.
Look at this, guys. Mukbang.